Why your stomach growls? It's called borborygmi, the rumbling sound your stomach makes when you're hungry. But here's the thing. It doesn't only happen when you need food. Inside your digestive tract, muscles are constantly contracting, pushing food, liquid, and air through your intestines. This movement is called peristalsis. When your stomach is empty, those contractions continue, mixing leftover digestive fluids and air. The result? A low-frequency rumble that carries through your abdomen. Your brain even schedules these contractions every few hours as part of the migrating motor complex, a built-in housekeeping cycle to clear your gut. The louder the growl, the emptier your stomach. So that sound isn't just hunger, it's your body cleaning itself for the next meal.